Well, assalamu alaikum. Hello, everybody. Welcome to my page English with you. All the time I try to make video based on English, and I try to give you some informative videos so that you can master your public speaking. So this video is like the previous video, and in today's video, I also give you the thing that you have to follow. You have to master for expand your vocabulary. So, as you already guessed that my today's topic is about how to grow your vocabulary. So the thing is that any kind of language, if you want to master, you have to master those language vocabulary. Without vocabulary, you are not going to express yourself anything. Well, English is not our mother tongue, so if we want to learn something new, so we must have to master the vocabulary. So how many way you can master your vocabulary? Maybe you have shared before that you can master vocabulary from dictionary, but I'm going to give you the exceptional thing that you have to follow these tricks to expand your vocabulary. The thing is that you can read storybook. You have to find out that which topic do you mostly like and what kind of element do you mostly like. You have to find out at first, and then you have to read. Like if I give you an example that you mostly like to read novel, then you have to find out some novel that you really interested in, and before reading the novel you have to find out, or you continuously whenever you are reading, you have to find out those words that is unfamiliar or unknown to you. So that's the thing you can do, and after that you have to memorize those vocabulary. So the another tricks you can apply in your life, that you can make a cue card, make some cue cards for master your vocabulary. How you can master your vocabulary by using cue card? Let me describe. You can write down some vocabulary that is unknown or unfamiliar to you in a small piece of paper, and after that you just try to memorize one by one. So that's the very effectful tips that gives you the more confident to master vocabulary. So that's the thing. Also, along with these two tips, you can also read newspaper, because in newspaper they provide some recent information. You can find some recent vocabulary that is active, totally active vocabulary. Because by reading newspaper, you without expand your vocabulary, you can also make yourself to know about the present condition surrounding environment, also politics and economics of our country along with the world. So I think that this is the most effective way to learn or expand your vocabulary. You can expand your vocabulary in that way. So by listening you can also expand your vocabulary. So most of the time I tell you that if you want to grow your public speaking, you have to hear, you have to listen a lot. But by listening, how you can improve your vocabulary, let me describe. So you have to listen this kind of element that is you are really interested in. Like if you are interested to know about the Islamic culture, then you can listen those kind of channel that is based on English. Based on Islamic. If I give you, if I mention you one name that really helpful for you, that you can find or you can search on YouTube, that Mufti Menk, which is most familiar Islamic scholar who gives speeches in English, and you can listen to him. So by listening him, you can expand your vocabulary, and the last thing you can do, that you can watch some movies that is with subtitle. So at the very beginning you can understand the native speaker speech, but what you have to do, find out those word from subtitle that is unfamiliar or unknown to you, and after that you have to memorize it to understand exactly or properly. So that's the thing that you can follow for expanding vocabulary. So today we are talking about how to master vocabulary. Already I finished about these topics, so no more today. If you like to watch my video, then do follow my Facebook page. Till then, Allah Hafiz, tata, bye bye.